How to uninstall apps on Windows 10. I'm going to show you two methods. Now the first method, go to your Windows icon on the left, right click on it, then go to settings. Then here on settings you are going to click on apps. Then here you are going to see the list of the apps which are installed on your computer. So let's say for example I want to uninstall Python. You just click on it, then click on uninstall, then uninstall. Then as you can see, it is removing Python from your computer. So you are going to give it time for it to finish uninstalling. Then as you can see, uninstall was successful. Click on close. Then the second method of uninstalling apps on Windows 10, you are going to close this one. Then we'll go to search Windows. Then search for control panel. Then open control panel. Then you will come view by and ensure that you have selected large icons. Then you will come to programs and features. Then you will be able to see the list of apps that are installed in your Windows 10. So just select the app, then click on uninstall at the top there. Then uninstall. As you can see, the app has already been uninstalled. So those are the two ways of uninstalling apps on Windows 10. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.